How to fix glitching phone screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can fix a glitching phone screen, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to fix a glitching phone screen, maybe there is a green line and it is keeping on glitching. First of all, download this application from a Play Store called Dead Pixels Test and Fix, and then you open it up. What this does is that if you have any sort of glitching screen, such as let's say the green lines that came after a hardware damage, in that case you have to replace it if it was a hardware damage. But if it came after a software update, you don't know what changed, and then all of a sudden there's a green line and you might want to replace that, you can just tap on the Fix Dead Pixel option on this app. Tap on start. It will run a couple of checks like this on your device display, and you have to do this for at least a minimum of 3 hours every day. And this is not a one-time process. You have to repeat it for multiple days. If it doesn't work, keep on trying. Charge your phone to 100% and leave it overnight to see if this actually helps you solve the dead pixel issue. And not saying that this is going to work 100%, but you can at least give it a try, because many users have reported positive responses. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.